Hey, welcome back to Ford University. Today's video is actually a repost of an old IG story I discovered. I went to actually record this new video, how to change your luck fast, and I found this short daily download, and the energy of the video is so high that I thought I'd just repost it instead of trying to re-record it. So keep watching if you want to learn how to change your luck fast. Hey, so I just finished up a client session and I just felt called to just record this quick video. I'm actually going to record a longer video podcast about this, but the reason why you feel like bad things are happening to you, you feel like more people are luckier than you are, is because you believe it. And so the universe or your subconscious mind is not a liar. It's going to show you what you think is to be true. It's not going to make a liar out of you. It's going to say, oh, okay, sure. So it's going to give you what you think, give you what you believe, essentially. So if you don't think that you're a lucky person, or you don't think that you deserve something, subconsciously, it's going to manifest. It's going to come into your life and reflect back to you. So what you need to do is to shift your belief into thinking you are a lucky person, or thinking that good things happen to you more than bad. And I know it's easier said than done. That's why I'm a hypnotherapist. That's why I'm an NLP practitioner, because I make it easier for you to shift your beliefs. Because it didn't take you just like a week to start believing this. This is something that was programmed since you were a kid, or something huge happened to make you think that way. And so in order to shift it, it can't just be, you can't just say affirmations every day or journal every day or just see your therapist and talk about it continuously for 6 years. You have to make a subconscious shift. You have to shift it. And it's more about addressing it and getting the learnings from it, and then letting it go. Because no one's telling you to disregard this belief. Is to understand where it came from, understand, and then show it that it's to show yourself it's not true subconsciously, and then you can actually make the shift.